Okay, so just go to settings and privacy, and then on the left you have notifications. So what you have to do is basically go through each category and disable notifications because I mean, why not? Yeah, so just searching for a job, make sure you disable that. Hiring someone, again, the same exact thing. I mean, I already went through the whole process because I was getting spammed, but uh, yeah, just make sure everything is off. And yeah, I mean, unless you want to keep something, for example, messaging, I chose to uh, let, I mean, enable the message notifications because, well, it's probably useful. But yeah, other than that, just go through all the options and uncheck them. There's no global uncheck option for now because it's not in LinkedIn's interest. But yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you get rid of spam and notifications from LinkedIn.